Hi, my name is still Honeybee, and today is the first time I'm recording in cosplay. So today I am dressed as Harley Quinzel. No, I'm Harley Quinn, and this is because I am going to do something cosplay, which I haven't done yet. So it was time I started doing that with a cosplay channel. And today we are going to make something Harley. We are going to make this helmet into Harley Quinn helmet because coming weekend I have a photo shoot, which is probably last weekend's when I upload this, but at some point I have a Harley Quinn shoot at a actual army tank from the Second World War, and this helmet is an actual vintage war helmet. It has two helmets in here. Like, it's a double helmet. It has this inside. It even has a name inside, AJ van Haus? I don't know. So, I don't know who this guy is, who he was, but I got this helmet from the photographer because he had it and he said he was not going to do anything with it. So, I was allowed to completely mess it up. That's quote unquote what he said. So let me just put it on real quick. There we go. So we're gonna make this entire thing red. After that, we're gonna paint on it. We're gonna put some Hardy things in. We're gonna put a really big bullseye on top of it, or maybe in the back. I'm not sure yet. If I have time, I'm even gonna make some bed knives that are gonna get in here or in here, and we'll see. So, if you're wondering how I'm gonna do this, because this thing is green and not red, I have a few things. First, I'm going to sand it, and after sanding it, it's probably good enough for paint. Then first, I am going to prime it. This is just a very cheap brand, but it doesn't need to be very expensive, because we are doing cosplay on a budget after all, because not everyone has a lot of money. So this is just cheap €4 primer. After that, we're going in with a cheap €4 paint. It is best if you want to do it and try this stuff at home. It's best to do it matte, so no shine at all. Sadly, they didn't have that, so it is going to be shiny, but that's okay, because after that we're going to paint on it, and it's probably going to lose its shine over time. That rhymed. That was really cool. And after everything's painted and everything has been drawn out and it's already pretty, we're gonna put over it some clear paint. This one was a little bit more expensive because the brand of the primer and the paint didn't have a clear prime paint thing either. So this one is a little bit more expensive, but for the Dutchies and maybe German people and maybe Belgian people, you know that brand, you know, that's Gamma. It is for wood, metal, and synthetic fibers. Or synthetic fibers, it's just for not real stuff. And this one, let me just recheck. Oh, is also for inside, outside. It's a quick dry. It's also really nice. So we're gonna sand it. We're gonna prime it. We're gonna paint it. It's gonna be all Harley. So let's do this. Shit. So this is what it looks like now. Let me take these stupid things off very fast. And the other one. Almost. There we go. I decided to not paint the inside. I did sand it because I was thinking I would paint the inside, but after thinking again, also this little side I actually really like. It's like kind of, you know, used. Also, the inside helmet's gonna go in here, so there's probably not much you will see. I also like the fact that, well, I kind of wanted to look like Harley did it herself. She didn't order it to be made or something. She just did it herself. She found it. She did it herself. So it's really, really red now. So this is what it looks like now. Let me see if I can do that. There we go. So let's weather it now. I'm gonna weather it. I'm gonna paint it. It's gonna be finished today, boy. As you can see, it is later now. I decided to do everything in one time. I worked today, so it's quite late now. Everything's done, and it's beauty. I did all sorts of things like this bullseye on top. Harley Quinn, her sign, of course, with love. So kind of with love, Harley Quinn. Bat signal. With no, we don't want Batsy. A few of ha-ha-has. Here we have Harley plus who? Who? Harley's a single girl. She doesn't need anyone. And then here, jokes on you. And I did it all with black and white, which is really easy. And the bullseye needed a few layers. I think it was 3 or 4 layers till it covered neatly. I weathered it all together. Now let's see what it looks like when it's on. There we go. What do you guys think? So it's done. It's completely finished. I'm not sure what hairstyle I'm gonna do. I might just do these braids because I think they're actually really cute. Also, I really need to like change my wig because you can see the fuzz. So don't think about that. This wig is already like 5 years old. Nah, that's a joke. 3 years, probably 3 years old. So I've eaten and drank some stuff throughout the video. You can see because my lipstick's gone. Yeah, it's late. So if you guys have any questions, shoot them, put them in the comments. I'll answer them. Of course, these are some end pictures. Ta-da! It was the full outfit. I ordered the camo pants for this. The tank top I already had. This one I made. The boots I already had. Good photographer. And that's all you need. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see next. So yeah, it's proof you don't need much money. This took a little evening. I started at 7:30. I stopped at 10. Let's just say 10. Didn't take very long, and it's so much fun to do. It's so much fun to do. So yeah, army. Harley joined the army. She's in the army now. Again, like, subscribe, and follow me wherever you want. Bye guys.